It is time. It's time for the lightning round. What's up, Rap Gordon? One of the same minute stockers out. Bye. Plan is the sound. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time for the lightning round. Let's start with Cynthia in Minnesota. Cynthia.
Hey, Jim. How you doing?
I'm doing well, Cynthia. How are you?
Hey, very good. The stock I'm worried about has a fantastic dividend, but I'm wondering if it's sustainable. It's big lots.
No, look, I don't think you should be in big lots. I think it's a retailer that's just losing a ton of money. You got to step away from that one. I'm sorry. As low as it is, I think you could go lower. Let's go to Dave in Illinois. Dave.
Dr. Cramer, my mad vegetable gardening friend, how are you?
I am good, Dave. I'm looking forward to planting in another couple of weeks. What's going on?
Sounds good. Jim, last December, you labeled Sempra Energy a dependable utility stock. So, Jim, pull the trigger now or keep the bat on the shoulder?
No, I like Sempra. I think you should buy some now, and if it drops to 4%, buy some later. So, Dave, if I wanted to buy 100 shares, I'd buy 50 now and buy 50 if it cracks to 4%. And thank you for remembering my gardening. It's getting ready. Let's go to Avi in Illinois. Avi.
Hey, Kramer, this is Patty from Vernon Hills, Illinois. My 11-year-old Avi has a question for you.
Sure.
Hi, Jim. I'm a big fan of the show.
Thank you.
I wanted to know if ON Holdings is a good buy. ON.
I think ON Holdings is one of the most exciting, really, I'd say most exciting new companies I've seen in a very long time. We have a bad market, and we've got a bunch of different hurdles that we have to go through before I would suggest pulling the trigger on ON, but that is a great one, and I like it. Let's go to Michael in New Jersey. Michael.
Hey, Jim, how's it going? Booyah, happy Wednesday.
Oh, thank you. Same to you. What's going on?
Good. I'm just trying to see your input on Alibaba and with the recent reopening of China.
Well, I'm not a big fan of the Chinese stocks, as you may know. If I do have to own one, it is Alibaba, but I'm not pounding the table on any stock right now in China at all. Let's go to Andre in North Carolina. Andre.
Hey, Jim, how you doing?
I'm doing.
A lot of people who love your show down here.
Oh, thank you. I need to hear that. I need to hear that very much. What's going on?
There was a company out of Durham, North Carolina, Wolfspeed. They say they're going to build a $5 billion chip manufacturing facility. I'm just wondering, what do you think about that company?
No, I just think you've got another company that is just not making money, that is very good at press releases. We're going to take a serious pass on that one. I'm not going for it. Let's go to Dawn in California. Dawn.
Hi, Jim. I'd like to ask about Super Microcomputer, ticker SMCI. It's had a great run, and today it jumped on earnings. Do you think it's a buy?
Do you mind if I actually, those earnings came out today, and today was a very difficult day for the market and for all of us who apply the market. And I saw that stock go up, and I did not get a chance to analyze why that quarter was so good. I am going to have to come back on you on that, and I promise I will. Let's go to Robert in West Virginia, please. Robert.
Hey, Jim, this is Robert from Lewisburg, West Virginia. I'd like to give you a Mountaineer booyah.
I'll take a Mountaineer booyah right back at you. What's going on?
I've been watching you since your days with Coco, man.
Well, that's a long time. Thank you. How can I help?
I was wondering what your 5 to 10 year time horizon thoughts were on IONQ.
No, look, I know quantum computing is supposed to be the next greatest thing, but I am not interested in a company that is losing money right now. They're not working. Let's go to Dennis in Oregon. Dennis.
Booyah, Jim. Calling from the land of Dutch brothers.
Dutch Bro.
I'd like to know about Rogers Communications.
I like it very much. I like it. The stock is, I think, a lot of the cable companies, we're starting to recognize that when you have a 3% yield and you got a very steady business, it's worth owning. I think you're fine with that one. Let's go to John in Pennsylvania. John.
Hi.
Hey, John.
I'm retired. I'd like secure income. What do you think of RITM? It
No,
costs about $8 a share.
I know, but you see, this is one of those companies we don't really know what they own, and they own a portfolio of companies. They're focused on real estate and financial services. Those are two areas that are very much in play here to the downside. I don't want you in that if you can avoid it. Let's go to Dave in Florida. Dave.
Booyah, Jim.
Booyah, Dave.
I'm calling about Fathom Pharmaceuticals. They developed a promising treatment for GERD, and I was wondering what you thought about that.
Yes, I am familiar with that because I know someone who has GERD, and I would tell you that I think that it's a very speculative but interesting situation. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Coming up, this morning, a bankable CEO convinced Cramer to stay the course on her stock. Find out what tipped the scales when Mad Money returns. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.